Former Nagaland Chief Minister S.C. Jamir termed the decision of the centre to end the free movement regime and proposed fencing of the border with Myanmar as inhuman and something which is impossible.
I am deeply concerned because when the border line was drawn up, it was an imaginary line, watershed. And there is no actually definition of this watershed boundary between Burma or Myanmar and India. Because this was done during this independent India and independent Myanmar only. Now, by following this watershed formula, many of the real Naga villages happen to fall within Myanmar, and some of the villages also fall within Nagaland. That means, how can you have fencing in the same house, in the same family, and occupied by Naga people? And therefore, this kind of decision is not only impossible, but it is inhuman, because there is intermarriage between Nagas of Myanmar as well as Nagaland. And we have to go there and cultivate, they also come to cultivate. So I feel that this is a very dangerous attempt to divide the people. And state government also have expressed that they are totally opposed to this proposal for fencing within two countries.